Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make milkshake chocolate. Start by melting 4 ounces of chocolate gently over low heat, then whisk in 2 cups of whole milk until smooth. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of salt to balance sweetness. Let the mixture cool slightly before blending with 1 cup of ice to reach thick, creamy consistency. Taste and adjust sweetness, then serve immediately with a straw. Warm up your blender by pulsing a few seconds with a splash of milk. Then combine the cooled chocolate mixture with 1 cup of ice and 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream. Blend on high for 30 to 45 seconds until silky and aerated. If you want a thicker shake, add more ice or another scoop of ice cream. For a bolder flavor, stir in 1 tablespoon extra cocoa at the end. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to see more tasty tutorials. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's black ice is perfect for hiding post-shake road smells and keeps your car feeling crisp after ice cream runs. Toss one behind your seat or in a glove box for a subtle, long-lasting scent. Look in the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Pour the milkshake into a chilled glass and top with a swirl of whipped cream and shaved chocolate for a cafe-style touch. For a lighter option, reduce sugar by 25% or use almond milk to make it dairy-free. You can swap dark chocolate for a richer, less sweet result, or use milk chocolate for a milder taste. Serve with a wide straw and a biscotti or cookie on the side for crunch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.